Hello everyone, welcome to Neurasapiens. In today's tutorial, we'll look at the Python string method isTitle. In Python, the isTitle method returns true if all alphabetical character words is a title case string, and there's at least one character in the specified string. For example, in upper and title case characters may only follow uncased characters and lowercase characters only. Otherwise, it will return false. So syntax here is string underscore object followed by the method .isTitle. For the string method isTitle, there are no parameters. And the string that we'll work with here is in computer science. Debugging is the process of finding and correcting errors in a computer program for the variable debugging underscore def. And we'll start off with the title casing check. So we'll check if all words are capitalized in the debugging definition string. We'll create a variable here, def underscore check, which equals to debugging underscore def dot isTitle. And then we'll print, do all words in the debugging definition string start with an uppercase letter. And we can see here, based on the output here, this is false. All right, so return false as not all words in the string are capitalized. And we can see that based on the output here as well. So only the first letter in this case, I, for the word in, is capitalized, but the remaining separate words here are not actually capitalized. We can also check for empty string. So print empty string dot isTitle. And we can see here, based on the output, this is false. Right, so return false, a minimum of one alphabetical character is required. And also extend this check to actually see if a word which is all uppercase will return true or false. So uppercase word equal to the word apple. And we can print uppercase word dot isTitle. And we can see here that this is false, right? So when it's a word where all the characters are uppercase, this will actually return false, as all characters are uppercase in the word, not just the first letter. So examples of strings which are valid and return true, where all the casing is title, is starting off for a single capitalized letter. So we can print all alphabetical and words in uppercase, true or false. And we'll start off just by checking for the letter A. Dot isTitle. And we can see here that this is true. Right, so for a single letter A, where it's in uppercase, this will return true, as the single letter is capitalized. And we can also check with leading white space and see if this affects the output. So we can create a variable lead underscore A equals to the string programming with a leading white space and print lead underscore A dot isTitle. And this here is true. So return true, irrespective of the leading white space, as long as all separate characters and words are capitalized. And we can also check here with a trailing white space. So we'll create a variable trail underscore A equal to programming with a trailing white space here. And we can print trail underscore A dot is title, return true. So we can see here that this is true. So irrespective of the trailing white space, as long as all separate characters, all separate letters and words are capitalized. So this is how to use the isTitle method to check if all words in a string start with a letter that is in uppercase. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.